Hello everybody, this is Marga, your Wonder Marga, and welcome sa atong second episode or second day sa atong 40-day challenge this Lenten season. So, for today's episode, I am taking this post from Instagram ni Alex of Hello Up. So, if you are familiar with Hello Up, this is actually a prayer app, a Catholic prayer app, a beautiful prayer app na when introduced to us by Father Oli, it has been my partner for quite a while now, and then for more than a year or almost 2 years na you can download it. But anyway, going back sa ato ang post that says, Lent is a time of both bravery and joy. We have to fill ourselves with courage, for the grace of God will not fail us. God will be at our side. By Saint Jose Maria Escriva. So if you have watched our first episode yesterday, we have been talking about the bravest person is the person who forgives, no? And relating to that episode, munang nanapili na ako ni siya nga post today. And since yesterday we reflected on the courage to ask for forgiveness, no? This courage to ask for forgiveness is actually a brave step in healing and humility. So today, with this post through this post by Jose Maria, reminds us that Lent is not just about sacrifice, but also about joy, the deep, lasting joy that comes from knowing God's grace God's grace never fails. So I think this is our challenge, today, that if we found courage to ask for forgiveness, let us also trust in God's grace to heal, no? By forgiving or by asking for forgiveness, we are also getting into the journey of healing, no? So even if it's difficult, like what I have shared yesterday, sometimes or most often than not, no, I find it difficult to ask for forgiveness, to make the first move to ask for forgiveness. And this message, probang ni padayon siya karon sa ako ang pagpadayon sa pag-challenge sa ako ang okay. By taking this courage, it is also my personal journey to healing. So with that, let us carry that bravery, the bravery of asking for forgiveness, the bravery and the courage to ask for forgiveness, so that we may enjoy the joy of the effect of that move, to ask in asking for forgiveness. And in seeking forgiveness, we will also find joy in it amid the journey of transformation. So basically, transformation is not an easy feat, no? Transformation is also at a moment where you are more being tested, no? Mas i-test gyud ka, mas daghan kag agian nga hurdle, mas daghan kag i-cope up or i-overcome nga mga hurdle pag mo decide ka nga kailangan ko mag-transform, kailangan ko magbago, kailangan ko mag-change. Pero by that deciding to be transformed, you have to take the first step and the first move, no? So from taking the first move to being transformed, ang proseso na in between is actually a process of healing, and allowing us to remind ourselves that in that process of healing, God is Emmanuel. So God is with us. So to end this video, I would like to give you this reflection question or challenge, no? On this second day of Lenten season, let us try to check on ourselves on what is one thing that we can do today to trust in God's grace and to find joy this Lenten season. So this is all for today. God bless us all, and happy reflecting. God bless everyone.